ngā marihiri no mai hari mai ki kiri roa. To all of our guests, welcome into Hamilton. For your continued safety, please keep your seatbelt fastened until the captain has switched off the seatbelt sign and the aircraft has come to a complete stop outside the terminal building. Please also be careful when you open those overhead lockers, as some of the items could have moved and they could fall out. And it is now safe for the transmitting functions on your electronic device to be turned back on. However, these devices are not to be used as you're crossing the tarmac. And we will be disembarking into the tarmac this afternoon, so please ensure you follow the clearly marked path into the terminal building. Do take care as you're disembarking the aircraft. Use the handrail, and if you need any help, please just ask. Now we do hope you had a good flight with us today, so it's been our pleasure delivering you through to Hamilton. On behalf of your captain, Richard Hanson, your first officer, Alana Anderson, and you and myself, Aidan, we do thank you for flying with Air New Zealand. We do hope the rest of your afternoon is a safe and enjoyable one. We look forward to seeing you again. Until then, good afternoon, maha te wā.